Hello everybody and welcome to my channel, and today we're doing this awesome video and recipe which are some sweet rolls with cinnamon and sugar. Super easy to make, delicious, and a very fast recipe. Hope you enjoyed this video and subscribe to my channel. First of all, you'll need a bowl. In a bowl add 170 grams of flour and 5 grams of baking soda. Let's mix it together and add 250 grams of cottage cheese, and let's mix it together. Now let's add 50 grams of butter, melted before, and continue mixing. In another bowl, add 3 tablespoons of sugar and 1 tablespoon of vanilla, and let's mix it together. In another bowl, add 1 egg, and let's mix it with a mixer. Keep adding the sugar until it's a bit foamy, and let's combine the two mixtures. And let's combine it all together. You can continue mixing with your hand. Now let it sit for about an hour. When it's all done, let's roll up the dough. I'm using a rectangle shape. Now let's add the sugar filling and help with a spoon to spread it out, and let's roll our sweet dessert. Now let's cut it into portions. You'll need a baking pan and some baking paper, and let's place the rolls 5 or 6 centimeters apart. Now let's send it to the oven in 180 degrees for about 15 minutes. When it's all done, cool them down and try it out. Let's plate them and enjoy. Hope you enjoyed this video as much as you did this recipe, and subscribe to my channel to see more of my videos. Thank you for watching.